Good morning, students. Welcome to 12th Business Studies. We have finished with planning, organizing, and today we are going to start 6th unit, third function of management, that is planning. That is staffing. Planning, organizing, and then staffing. So, let us have look towards staffing. What is meaning of staffing? Staffing means putting the right person on a right position and at a right time. So, staffing means putting the right people to his job. It is all study of the human resource planning, and which is including with the different other functions also, like recruitment, selection, training, development, promotion, and performance appraisal. So here proper manpower planning has to be done. Now, when we talk about the meaning of staffing, we cannot forget OUM. Now, what is this OUM? O means obtaining the correct workforce, and U means utilizing that workforce in a proper way, and M means maintaining a satisfaction in the workforce. So, first thing is you have to bring the right candidate, utilize him in a right way, and then maintain him, that means provide him a satisfaction. That is all about staffing. Now, staffing is a very important process, we can say, or we can say very important function. Why? Because we say any organization is an empty shell without proper staffing. That means to fill up that empty shell, we need a proper or a human manpower is required. So it is very important one, staffing is why we say it is important, because great importance is being given nowadays. Each and every organization is having a rapid advanced technology, or we can say fast changes in their technology, increase in the size of the organizations are there. So we can say complicated behavior of human beings are there, and to handle this human being in a proper way, and he should be a flexible one to accept the changes and to adopt these changes, the right person is required. So we say whether the organization is a new one or the existing one, both the organization needs the proper staffing. So staffing is an important, and staffing is a continuous process in each and every organization, because the jobs are being created even in the existing organization also. So let us have look towards the importance of organizing. Now, man resources are the foundation of any organization. So obviously every organization needs a proper manpower, needs a proper staffing to work there. The number one, we can say obtaining competent person, or we can say filling the job with a competent person. So proper staffing helps in discovering and obtaining the right candidate for a various position. There are various positions, but the right candidate has to be selected for that particular position. That is obtaining competent personnel. Next comes higher performance. Definitely better performance will be given by the organization, by the employees, after proper staffing, because proper staffing ensures the higher performance by putting the right candidate on a right position. So he is a well experienced, he has been satisfied, and he will give his performance in a better way. So organization will definitely achieve its aim. Next comes continuous growth. Here we can say there will be a survival and the growth of the organization because of proper staffing. We say staffing is the key function, for key component, or the key to all the managerial function, because men, that is human power, is performing every other functions. So this is the key function for the organization. Each and every step is followed by the people who are being employed. So staffing ensures the continuous growth of the organization, and the successive planning of staffing will help to do that. Next comes optimum utilization of resources. Definitely here manpower planning, that means staffing, like recruitment, selection, will enable the organization to procure the required quality and quantity of the human force. Like quality and quantity have to be taken care. There should be a proper requirement of the organization, whichever is there has to be fulfilled. Like as staffing process will give you optimum use of human resources by avoiding overstaffing or understaffing, and providing you the correct, that is optimum manpower which is required. Next comes improve the job satisfaction. Definitely here the employees will have a job satisfaction, their morale will be increased, because the proper staffing improves the job satisfaction and morale of the employees through job assessment will be done, and a fair reward will be given to them, correct salary will be given to them for their contribution, for their work which they have done. So here each and every employee is happy to work because they have contributed and they have been rewarded for it. So they are happy to work here. And staffing is giving each and every organization like hope that there will be a promotion for them because of their good effort done in this. So these are the importance of staffing. Staffing is a key function for each and every organization, so right person is required. And in our next video we will see the more process of staffing. Thank you so much for understanding staffing and importance of staffing.